Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring the iPhone 16 is updated and unlocked. That prevents activation errors. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and locate the eSIM QR or the carrier's activation code because you'll need it immediately. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. Some carriers validate your account with iCloud. Also copy the device IMEI from settings. Carriers may request it. Now open Settings and head directly to Cellular to start adding the eSIM. Don't skip straight to the scanner yet. Next, tap Add Cellular Plan in Settings Cellular and choose Scan QR or enter the carrier-provided details manually. This is the core activation step. When you scan, follow on-screen prompts to accept carrier terms and allow provisioning. The phone exchanges data with the carrier to assign the eSIM. After provisioning, label the plan so you can identify it in calls and messages, and choose which line handles cellular data versus voice. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi on until the carrier confirms activation. Finally, confirm the eSIM is active by checking signal strength and the carrier name, then place a test call and load a web page to verify data. Once working, set defaults in cellular so calls, messages, and data use the intended line. Make sure iMessage and FaceTime recognize the new number. If activation fails, restart the iPhone and look for carrier settings update. If that doesn't help, contact your carrier with the IMEI and activation code. This single troubleshooting step resolves most provisioning problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.